Hi, and welcome back to Building with Blocks. Continuing our separation of content from the design, we are now going to touch base with the home page of your website. And by default, homepage or front page template of the block theme comes pre-designed with the content, right? And you can see it when you install the block theme and have the default settings. You just installed WordPress, you just installed block theme like we did in this tutorial, and this is what our homepage is showing. And that is fine, because this is the only way for WordPress developers to show you what their product is capable of, right? We need to install the dummy content so you can see something beautiful. I don't know, sliding in all of these blocks, popping in and out, it's all eye candy, but everything you see on this template is a content, and content has no business whatsoever within your design. So the first thing I'm going to do is actually create two new pages on my website. And one is going to be a home page. I am just going to call it home and publish it. And the other page is going to be a blog and publish this one as well. So now I have two new pages. One is blog and one is home. In my menus, I am going to go to Editor, Menus, and add the blog page into navigation. So let's edit this navigation. Add the blog page. Do I want an icon for it? Yes, I want an icon. Let's see, pencil, for example, and save it. I am not adding the homepage, because homepage will obviously be my homepage and it will be easy to access by just clicking on the logo or clicking on the website title, right? Now I want to go back to the admin and go to Settings, Reading, and change your homepage displays to a static page, and select the home for my home page and blog for my posts page. Save the settings. And now when I go to my website and go to home page, something has changed. And let me tell you, this is perfectly normal. So bear with me, I will explain it. Let's first check the blog page. And you will see that blog page immediately inherited the blog home template. And the blog home template is available here in Appearance Editor, then Templates, and you will see the blog home. This is the template that now our blog posts page is using. You can, of course, edit this template and change it however you want. That's totally up to you. But this is currently what our blog posts or blog home is going to use. All right. So that's the blog home template. But what about the front page? What about this? When I click on my home page, I am getting the standard pages template. All right. So let's fix this. So the idea behind the custom homepage is to separate your content from design. I'm feeling like parroting this multiple times, but the separation of content from design is very important to me. It should be important to you as well. All right, so let's do that. First of all, we are going to create a completely new template. Okay, so let's go back to templates. Add a template, custom template, and let's call it custom homepage. Create it, choose the pattern, and let's choose this one. let's save it for now. Okay, so our custom template now consists out of header, main content, and footer. All right. So in the main content, we still have a content that we don't want on a home page. All right. So let's do this. Let's expand the main and delete it. Yes, delete all of it. So now we only have a header and a footer. Okay. So below header, we are going to add after, or you can do it above footer. So add before. Let's add group. And within that group, just add the content block. And that's it, nothing more. So now we have your header, we have a content, and we have a footer. All right. We save the template. We go to pages, all pages, expand our home, and assign the different template. But you cannot do that. All right. So to do it, you need to do it from here, from quick edit, and then assign a custom home page. Okay, and update it. This is actually a bug in WordPress, and we are hoping it will be fixed soon. Now let's go back to our site and reload our home page. What happens now? It's nothing is showing in content. We only have a header and a footer, and that's absolutely normal. Because what we did now, and I will say it again, we separated the content from design. All right. Now it's easy to go back to the home page, edit our home page, and add the content. Let's save it. Refresh our home page, and now whatever we add in the home page, it's going to show here. Now let me show you a little trick. We can go back to the templates. So editor, templates, open our front page template. Expand the list view, and now let's select by holding Control button. Let's select this. Actually, it's not going to work. So what I'm going to do is, can I select all of this blocks? How about Shift? Yes, Shift will do it. So select all of the blocks, copy them, 7 blocks copied to clipboard, go back to your pages now, because our home page is now within the page itself. Edit this page, delete this, and just paste. Okay, so now we have all of this with all of the styles and everything within our home page. Save it. Let's refresh this now, and voila. Okay, you will have to do some little adjustments here by expanding, width, but generally you have most of the design back in your home page. As a final touch, let's make everything full width again. Remember when we created a custom template, custom homepage template, we added this group and the content. Okay, so expand the group and select the full width with it. We will also need to select the content and make a full width for it. Let's save it. And now when we reload this page, now it looks better and everything is full content again. But this time, all of our content is within the page. It's not within the template anymore. And that is all for this episode. I hope you learned something useful today. If you did, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. Bye!